In this video, first we are going to install our virtual software, that's VirtualBox, and then later we will also install our operating system. So let's just double click it and install it. You just have to do next, and it's recommended that you keep all these things as it is. If you want to change the directory, you can change the directory, of course, but I'll keep the directory as it is, and I'll do next, and again I'll do next. So I'll get all these, I'll get the icon on desktop and in menu as well, and proceed with the installation now. Yes, and install. So it's going to take few minutes. And the installation is done successfully. Here is our VirtualBox. So now we are going to install our operating system on it. So let me close it first, and let me open the directory in which I have Kali Linux. So all we have to do is just double click, and you just have to do import, and again it will take few minutes to import. All right, so we have imported our Kali operating system successfully. So before starting our operating system, let's just view our settings first. So over here we can change the name of our machine, which will reflect over here. So I'll keep it as it is, and if I move to advanced section, there is a location for our snapshots. I'm going to tell you about snapshots in the next video. So, and there's a description about our operating system. They have also provided the username and password. So when we will start our machine, we have to enter our username and password, which is provided over here. And if I move to system, the default RAM is 2 MB, which I'm sorry 2 GB, which I'm going to increase it to 4 GB, I suppose. Yeah, 4096, which is equal to 4 GB. I'll keep the display setting as it is, storage as it is, audio as it is, and for network, for now we will use bridge adapter, which is going to create a direct connection with your access point which you are using. We can also create a virtual network, which I am going to talk about in later videos. uh, so yeah, that's it. So we can do OK, and in the next video we will click on this start button, and then we will start our operating system and see the functionalities, and we will see the first look of our operating system.